What's a good cold call script for SDRs working in tech sales trying to set appointments?
Cold call script for SDRs. This is right out of course 2 on the Easton University Learning Portal. You got to reframe how your mind works. If you're an SDR, how most of their cold call scripts and why they don't work is they'll say there's a problem that the company's having. They'll point something out. We noticed some problems with your website. We noticed some problems with your data, whatever it is. It's insulting somebody. Or that script will be like, if I can have 5 minutes of your time, and you're almost like needy, begging to get a meeting with them. I want to show you how we can help you with this, help you with that. If you're a skillful SDR and you're using Matt Easton type cold calling, you're saying things like, hey, Heather, wanted to reach out to you personally because there is something that every CFO in your space is having to deal with. Nobody is talking about it. I wanted to make sure you were aware of it. What cold calling is all about is getting their attention with a really interesting hook, right? There's something that top CFOs are dealing with. I wanted to make sure you had a heads up on it. And then when they call you, letting them know about the problem first before you ever talk about your company, and then ask them how they're dealing with that problem. At that point, it's very easy for an SDR to say, hey, because of the fact that you said you guys are struggling with XYZ, ABC, you want to get to 1, 2, 3 by next quarter, you sound like an excellent candidate for our DEF product. Does it make sense for us to schedule a meeting where we can kind of walk you through how we can help you get there ahead of schedule? When you slow the process down in the beginning, you're going to book more meetings naturally, but when you try and just force or bribe or scare somebody into a meeting, it almost never works. I will teach you how to close right now, but not right here. We've got a course on Easton University. It's normally $300. I'm going to buy it. I'm going to buy it for you right now. Click the link in my bio. I will cover the cost for you to get the closing course. It is the easiest curriculum we've ever went through. You're going to learn how to close. You're not going to be pushy. You're not going to be manipulative. You will double, triple, quadruple your closing rate when you go through that course. So I'll buy it for you. We'll cover it right now. Click the link in my bio.